to another video for my YouTube channel. Alright, in Jamaica they said eat what you grow and grow what you eat. So here I am. I have my nice ackee tree that I planted with ackees ready when they open. Well, see ackee here that is presently open. So I'm gonna, oh no, fancy, open ackee here so I can actually pick them from my tree. Right, I'm gonna take you inside. I'm gonna prepare it and I'm gonna cook ackee and saltfish the way my children like it. Right, so follow me inside the kitchen. I'm inside my kitchen, right? So I have my scallion which I planted outside, my thyme. Well, I bought the garlic at the market, my onion, and I'm gonna fry plantain and my salt. When I'm cooking my ackee, I put on the water to boil and I season it up because my children don't really like ackee. So I put on the water to boil previously. So I'm going to put in my scallion and my thyme. Then I'm going to put in my garlic. I'm going to put in some pimento seed because that gives it a really nice and different flavor. So I wash these at the pipe, put them in, put them into the pot, get my spoon, and I am not really a person who uses a lot of salt, but ackee can cook without salt, so I put my salt in there. Now my water is boiling, right? I wash my ackee, which I previously picked from my tree, and I'm gonna put this other one that I just pick off in there because this is ready. And this, the way how I cook ackee is, if persons say that they don't eat meat, but some of them still don't eat fish. Now my children likes ackee, they don't like saltfish. When I cook it like this, which is scallion, garlic, piece of thyme, pepper, and some pimento seed, put in my ackee to cook. When you season it up like this, when it is finished cooked, it tastes really nice because you already season it, so you don't have to put anything much in it after you're finished. Just your sweet pepper and your onions, right? So I leave that to boil. In this pot, I just cook my saltfish, right? See there? So I'm gonna turn out this in here, prepare my saltfish. You know how the Jamaican things stay. Clean it up and make sure you do it really nice and clean. Wow, that door is banging because of the breeze, but then it might have out my fire. I'm preparing my saltfish and my ackee is cooking in the meantime. As ackee, if you don't properly cook, it's not going to taste good. So I strip off the skin off of my saltfish, put it in this plate. I'm still stripping it, taking out all the bones out of it. I wash it off because I really don't want it to be too salty, right? Now this is nice and ready. Okay, So I put my salt back there. I'm gonna put this right here. And now I'm gonna get my cutting board to prepare my season. I'm gonna fry the plantain, and right here I have my breadfruit already prepared. I might fry it, or I just put it at the side of the plate. You know, ACKEE and ACKEE and saltfish is Jamaica's national dish, but it's not everybody likes saltfish in their ACKEE. So if you really don't like saltfish in your ACKEE, then you can cook your ACKEE the way how I do it. I'm not going to cut off my finger, you know, right? And then I'm gonna wash my sweet pepper, and my hot pepper, and then put them back in my, I call it my vegetable plate, right? So I cut these nice and good. And I'm gonna add a piece of green one to it for color and consistency, right? Okay, and over here I have my bowl of tomatoes that I picked outside from my garden not too long ago, right? So I'm gonna use these small ones because they're really nice and ripe. It is really hot. All right, so this is ready, right? So that's my, I'm not gonna do all of my tomato. So I'm gonna clean up my mess until when my ACKEE is cooked. I might as well just go ahead and cover this and come back to it, right? So I'm gonna put this pot onto the fire. Put back that one in the sink. Get my cooking oil. And I'm gonna fry my plantain, right? I can use the matches because that stove lighter sometimes just seem to not be working with me. Me preparing my callaloo. I went outside, I cut it up, and I put it to cook just to be prepared, because time and all the things that you have to do. And if I don't try and maximize my time, because when it's windy, the breeze really gives me a warm time, right? I put on my pot to hot, and I'm gonna fry this plantain. Right? Nice and hard, because I really don't like the plantain when it is too soft. Oops! I don't want that, man. Ooh! Come on. Give it a little more. Give it a little more, man. It'll take too long. This is really kicking up, right? So there you go. So it's can you see them in the pot bubbling up there? And see my ackee there kicking up a storm. Breakfast supposed to be good. Lunch, or if you want it to be your dinner, it can be any one of them. Here, and put that right there. I get a fork. Look at my plantains. Look at my plantains. Look at my plantains. Ready? I'm going to put them on this plate with a napkin to get rid of some of the oil, right? Because I really don't like my food too oily, because everybody knows cutting down on cholesterol, cutting down on oils and fats, right? So I usually drain them on a piece of napkin in the plate so they won't be oily. And I give them about 3 minutes to a side, because you don't want them to be too dark and you don't want them to burn. Don't want them to be too dark and you don't want them to burn. So my plantains are ready. Okay, these are nice and pretty. And I like to curl them up like that. Somehow they seem to look more appealing when you curl them, right? So I fix them like that. Like that, nice and pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and fry the breadfruit because my daughter wants it fried. If I was doing it for myself alone, I wouldn't be frying mine. I would just warm them if they were too cold, and I eat them like that. Now I have this apple cooking for 15 minutes and I check them. Now my ackee is well, nice and cooked. So you want them browner than that? I'm taking out these. My ackee is now cooked, but I'm not going to turn off the fire. What I'm going to do is take out my season, which is my scallion and my thyme, and I try to take out as much as I possibly can of these pimento because I use them already, right? I don't want to turn off the fire as yet because I just want to just switch pot. So I cover back this, take it off the fire, and I'm gonna put it in the sink. But next I'm gonna pour some more oil in it. And this is my ready, so that's ready breadfruit, ready plantain, and I'm gonna sort out my ackee because my season is bubbly. I scoop out my ackee. Because remember, I am doing it if you don't like saltfish. And I'm now gonna mix up this. So heat, because now that the ackee is cooked, you really don't want to slow it up because you want it to, well, it would not be marinating, but it will be simmering in all this season, right? So look at it. So I put down this right here, and I'm gonna shake a little bit of black pepper in it. Oops! Whoa! That's almost too much. But that's okay, because I'm still gonna put the saltfish in it. Right? So if you don't like saltfish, right, you go ahead and you prepare your ackee like this. If you like ackee and saltfish, because that's Jamaica's national dish, this ackee is now ready to eat, but I'm gonna pour in my saltfish now for persons who like ackee, the national dish way, that is ackee and saltfish. So we leave it about 3 minutes to simmer. Now talk up to my ackee, right? Just talk up to my ackee and let it feel welcome. Talk up to my ackee, right?
No, oh my god.
After 7 minutes, I just turn off the fire, right? So I'm gonna put 1 breadfruit. I'm gonna put 2 breadfruit, right? I'm gonna put my nice plantain that was drained. And I'm gonna fix it really good like that. Right? Like that. Put it right here. And let me get my spoon out of this plate. Then I am gonna take a nice see, look at it, nice, you see colors, right? everything in it consistent with Jamaican cooking. Look at it. Isn't it looking really good? So this is ackee and saltfish, my style. I'm gonna put some of my callaloo, which I previously cooked, right there. Look at my food. Let me just, my ackee and saltfish, my callaloo from out of my garden, breadfruit and fly plantain, and this is my finished product. Talk up to my food. Thank you for watching. Follow me on LadySmitty on Instagram. All right, bye.